Welcome to the 26th video of Basic Chinese course. In this video, we will learn about what's this and that. The contents for today's video are introduction, characters typing, conversation, and vocabulary. In this video, we will learn about what's this and that. So let's start. 知 and 那. So how do we use these two words in a sentence? For example, what's this? We can ask 这是什么？这是什么？ And what's that? For this one, we can ask 那是什么？ What's this and what's that? 这是什么？那是什么？ So the title for today's lesson is what's this? 这是什么 and what's that? 那是什么 Okay? Okay, I'll choose 5 things. Okay, number 1 is pen. Number 2 is chalk. Number 3 is marker. Number 4 is book. Number 5 is money. Okay, so first of all, we will learn how do we say these 5 things, these 5 words in Chinese. Pen, we normally say B and I with third tone B. Chalk is 粉 B. Fen is actually means powder. So powder pen is gives the meaning of chalk. Fen B. Marker is 马克 B. 马克 B. 马克 B. Book is 书 and money is 钱 B. 粉 B. 马克 B. 书 钱. So now we can ask these 2 questions about these 5 things. What's this? 这是什么？这是 Okay, so if we are answering for this question, we will take this word and put it here. Okay, 这是什么？这是 B. 这是粉 B. 这是马克 B. 这是书 这是钱 Okay, and it goes for the same for this question. What's that? 那是什么？那是 B. 那是粉 B. 那是马克 B. 那是书那是钱 Okay, 知 and na. Both of these pinyin are with the fourth tone. Okay, fourth tone. So these, if we are pronunciating, when we are pronouncing these 2 words, we can make their sounds very, very short. 知 那 知 是什么？那是什么？ What's this? 这是什么？ What's that? 那是什么？ This 是 is B form of word. Okay, it gives us the meaning of is in this sentence. What is this and what is that? 是这是什么？那是什么？ B 粉 B. 马克 B. 书钱这是 B. 那是 B. 这是粉 B. 那是粉 B. 这是马克 B. 那是 马克笔，这是书，那是书，这是钱，那是钱。笔，粉笔，马克笔，书，钱。So now comes to the characters typing session. 这是什么 What is this? What's this? 这是什么 What is this? What's this? 这是什么这是什么 What's this? 这是粉笔粉笔 This is chalk. 这是粉笔这是粉笔 This is chalk. 这是粉笔。那是什么 What's that? 那是什么 What's that? 那是马克笔 That is marker. 那是马克笔 That is marker. 那是马克笔。这是什么 What's this? 这是什么这是粉笔 This is chalk. 这是粉笔。那是什么 What's that? 那是什么那是马克笔 That is marker. 那是马克笔。Now comes to the conversation session. 阿丽，这是什么？这是书，这是笔，
那是什么？
这是粉笔，这是马克笔。So today's vocabulary are 这 means this 这那means that 那笔 means pin 笔粉笔means chalk 粉笔马克笔means marker 马克笔书 means book 书钱 means money 钱。This channel is actually for learning basic Chinese and preparation for HSK levels. If you are a beginner and want to learn Chinese for free, so please join us by subscribing to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon that you won't miss any updates in the future.